Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke, hari ini saya akan goes menggunakan elemen bike, elemen Ekosmo-nya Ekosmo 7, masih standar semua, belum ada yang di upgrade. Kita akan coba untuk trek ke gunung. Oke. Nah, ini jalannya lurus dan menanjak. Ya, kita lihat pemandangannya sangat indah. Jadi hari ini khusus buat pemandangan saja ya. Ini lokasinya di Desa Cisalak, Subang. Ya, jalan di sekitarnya ini. Nah, ini pemandangannya. Istirahat dulu di pinggir sawah. Masih berkabut. Lihat kabutnya. Ini lumayan dingin ya guys. Iya, yuk kita lanjut lagi yuk.
Fresh type of flow, wrist icicle, ride bicycle, come true, yo. Get you this type of blow. If you wanna manage, I got a tricycle. All these bros is my mini-me. Body smoking, so they call me Young Nicky Chimney. Rappers and they feelings, cause they feeling me. I give zero folk, then I got zero chillin' me, kissing me. Cop the blue box that say Tiffany. Curry with the shot, just tell them to call me Stephanie. Gun pop, then I make my gun pop. I'm the queen of rap, young Ariana Run Pop.
These friends keep talking way too much. Say I should give them up.
Ya, di sini jalannya masih berkabut. Hari ini saya goesnya ke daerah pegunungan. Ini kayaknya konten pertama untuk bersepeda. Jaraknya ya tidak begitu jauh, dan tetapi tanjakannya mantap. Masih berkabut.
New Ariana Grande, Nicki Minaj.
Oh iya, saya menggunakan Ekosmo 7 ya. Lumayan guys.
Havana, ooh, na, na. Half of my heart is in Havana, ooh, na, na. He took me back to East Atlanta, na, na, na. All of my heart is in Havana. There's something about his manners. Havana, ooh, na. He didn't walk up with that, how you doing? When he came in, he said there's a lot of girls I can do it, but I can't with that. Doing forever in a minute. That's on my night. And Papa says he got Milo in him. He got me feeling like ooh. I knew it when I met him. I loved him when I left him. Got me feeling like ooh. And then
Fresh out East Atlanta with no mountains. Damn, fresh out East Atlanta. Up on board like a traffic jam. Man, I was quick to pay that girl like Uncle Sam. Here you go, ayy, take it on me. Ayy, shout the craving on me, get the beating on me, on me. She waited on me, damn, well, shout the caking on me, got the bacon on me. This is history and I'm making on me. Point blank, close range, that feed. If it goes a million, that's me. I was getting moolah, baby.
Havana.
Oke, ini tempat terakhir kayaknya.
He took me back to East Atlanta. My heart is in Havana. My heart is in
Tanjakannya masih tinggi. Naik gunung lagi terus kita pulang. Oke, demikian dulu guys perjalanan goes hari ini. Semoga menjadi inspirasi. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sehat untuk semuanya.